Do you stress out thinking about if your Social Security income will be enough for you to retire comfortably? Well, if you are, this short retirement educational concept video will give you 3 supplemental Social Security income ideas that will help you remove that stress. So stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, President and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea Graves, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. Thank you for tuning in to our Retirement Education Concept videos. These videos were created to help to make the difficult and confusing retirement process simple.
Absolutely, Andrea, because with so many different retirement strategies out there and so many different retirement concepts, so many different retirement products, it can become very difficult for consumers to digest. That is why we always work with a team of expert advisors that will help us build a retirement roadmap that will let our clients know when, where, and how they can reach their retirement goal.
For additional concepts on how to maximize your retirement income, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Carson, we all worry about if we can retire and not worry about money, and so many of us are relying on Social Security to be a major cornerstone for retirement income.
Yes, Andrea, and I agree with that. I do believe that Social Security is a major cornerstone for retirement income for sure. But what happens if that retirement income cornerstone is broken or maybe needs to be patched up, where you're going to have to find a way to fix it and supplement that income? And so that's what we're going to be talking about in today's short retirement educational concept video. It's 3 ideas on how you can actually supplement that Social Security retirement income. But before we do that, there are always 2 rules to retirement income that we like to give you. And what are those 2 rules, Andrea?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money, and rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1.
All right, so let's go ahead and talk about 3 ideas that may help you supplement your retirement income if you feel like there's a shortfall.
Carson, your first idea to help supplement Social Security income is to work part-time. But for so many people, that may not seem like retiring, so how does that work?
I get that, Andrea. You know, if you're working and you had the ideas of, hey, I'm never going to do anything again, working part-time when you retire can seem like a not such a good idea, right? But here's the thing, Andrea. When you're retired, working does not look like it did when you were getting up early in the morning and going to work from 9 to 5. It's going to look different because you won't need that income to completely take care of all of your financial needs. So with that being said, when you're working in retirement to help buffer your Social Security income, you can really do things that you're passionate about now. So you can actually do that hobby that you've always liked to do and maybe make a little extra income to fill in that gap. So let's just say, for example, Andrea, most retirees have an average expense annually of about $48,000 a year. But let's just say your Social Security income is only $42,000 a year. So you have a $6,000 gap there that you're going to have to fill, of course. So what can you do? Well, you can go out and get a part-time job or a part-time hobby that can make up that difference. So maybe you can find a part-time job or a part-time hobby that can pay you maybe $20 an hour. Work as little as 10 hours a week. That can approximately come out to about $10,000 a year for your overall income. So therefore, you can at least fill in that gap. So I definitely understand that working while retirement can be somewhat counterintuitive to you, but it could be the necessary thing that you need to do to help fill in that gap that Social Security is not filling.
Well, Carson, that was a good idea for supplementing your Social Security income. But the second thing you have for supplementing your Social Security income is to save more while you're working. Now, that could be easier said than done.
Yeah, Andrea, and you laugh at that, and I do understand because sometimes we're stretched to the limit, right?
Right.
And unfortunately, putting money back for retirement could be one of those things that we think that we can actually do at a later date, which I think is a big mistake. But here's the thing, you may want to sit down with a financial advisor and try to work into your budget and see where there may be just a little bit of wiggle room that you can actually carve out to help put back for your retirement. Even anything as little as $100 to $400 a month, if you can find it, can make the difference of having an extra $100,000 to $500,000 for your retirement. So think about that. You may want to start looking at those incremental steps to carve out so you can actually have that extra amount of retirement savings that you're definitely going to need. Another thing that you're going to want to think about, Andrea, is that if you work for a company that offers a 401k or any type of retirement plan that has a match, you're going to want to take advantage of that for sure. You know, that's free money. We've talked about that on other videos. So if you're making $50,000 a year and that company is going to match you 5% of 100% of whatever your salary is, then guess what? That's an additional $2,500 if you do to the max that you can actually have inside of your retirement savings each and every year. And I can assure you that if you take $2,500 and multiply that by a certain percentage for the next 20 to 25 years, 5, 6, 7% of what your retirement earnings can make, you will be shocked of how much more income that will be putting into your retirement coffers.
Okay, your third idea to supplementing Social Security income is to create other guaranteed income streams with your savings. Now, how does someone go about doing that?
Yeah, Andrea, this is very important here. We talk about this a lot. Now, when you're actually retiring, or I would say this, as you're actually moving into your retirement years, the thing that you're thinking about more so than anything is accumulating assets. Most people do that. You're trying to save for retirement. But as you get closer to that retirement, you have to start shifting your mindset into decumulation mode. So when you're actually accumulating assets and growing those dollars, it may not be as important as you get closer to retirement, because at that point, you're going to start thinking about preserving those assets. So Andrew, when you switch into that different mindset, one of the things that you can do to help your cause and to help supplement Social Security is to implement some type of an annuity or even a life insurance product that you can actually peel some other guaranteed income from. Now, I talk about annuities a lot on this retirement education channel because I know how important it is to have a complementary guaranteed income source for your retirement. We know Social Security will not be enough. So if you really want to help your cause and you really want to make sure that you can complement your Social Security, think about implementing an annuity so you can have another guaranteed income source to go alongside of that other guaranteed income source, which is Social Security.
Perfect, Carson. Those were all great points to consider when trying to supplement your Social Security income. So thank you for that. And thank you for watching. And if this was beneficial for you, please like and share with others.
So I really do hope that the information that we shared today was beneficial to you. And please understand that you should always consult with your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. And if you are looking for a fiduciary advisor to help you with these type of complex financial matters, we highly encourage you to utilize the links in the description below and go ahead and schedule a complimentary consultation with us.
For more information about this topic or any of the other topics that we've created in our other videos, please feel free to reach out to our office or leave any questions or comments in the section below. After this video, please check out our other videos that will give you tips on how to maximize your retirement income. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers.